Hey, have you ever wondered how people create those square videos for Instagram? Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your video settings so you can create square videos in Premiere Pro. Let's go. All right, your first step is to have your video in your timeline if you haven't done so already. Here's my clip that I shot in 4K. Then I'm going to go up to the top left. Then you're going to see sequence. It is the fourth one to the right from the file. And then you're going to select the first option, which is sequence settings. And then you're going to get this come up. Now, we're going to be focusing on the video portion and where it says frame size. 4K, the resolution is 3840 or 3840 by 2160. The first number is horizontal, second number is vertical. You're going to want to use the vertical number for horizontal. Now what I mean by that is here we have 2160. I'm going to go ahead and put 2160. And then as you know, it matches. It is 1:1, which will create the square. Now you're going to get this. It's going to say changes to preview file format. You're going to click OK. And there you have your square. Now what if you didn't shoot your video in 4K? You're going to do the same thing, and what you're going to do is you're going to put 1080 for both, which is 1080p, and if you do it with 720p, you're going to put 720 and 720. So here I have 1080 on both. Okay, and there's my square, but you do notice that it's zoomed in. Something pretty simple is if you watched my earlier video on resolutions, if you have not, you can go ahead and click the card on top, and I explain the different resolutions there and the numbers. But 4K is twice the size of 1080p. So we're going to get to scale and just put 50. And there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we are dropping new videos each week to help you with video creating. Also, go ahead and drop a comment below if there's something specific that you want me to cover or if you want some tips on your specific business. Don't forget to check out the videos on the side, and I'll see you next week. Peace.